it's Tequila Friday from the Chinook Regional Library, and I am here with the Bob the Builder kit. And part of the reason why I want to draw your attention to this kit is because it fits so nicely in with our construction story time. So inside the Bob the Builder kit, you have these fun blocks. And you have two Cabbage Patch construction workers. Hey, Construction Tim, how you doing? I'm doing great, Kim. Let's build something. Yay! And you also have the books that are in the kit read to you on CD. So you can pop that into the CD player and follow along with reading the story. And there are some more of these blocks I'm going to pull out. There's Bob the Builder flashcards that you can play a memory game with your family. There's a parent guide on how to use the story sack. There's some cool tools. I got a wrench. And oh, here's the book. It's Dizzy and Muck Work It Out. So that's read on CD. I got a pair of pliers. And here's a builder. Looks like Bob. Construction worker. Probably won't take them all out. Oh, hey. Vroom, vroom. My favorite, the saw! Oops, I held it backwards. Oh, this would go with the rhyme that we sang. And a little tool belt to keep all your tools. We got some more blocks. Here's another wrench. I like fun. Okay. This is cool. This even says Black & Decker on it. So you can pretend you're tightening bolts. I have a bolt here. I thought it might fit in here, but it doesn't really. Goes with this piece. We can make stairs! Oh, that's cool. I like this. That's interesting. So if I had some more blocks, I could make a complete house. Like so. But only so many fit. There. There's my house taking shape. There's my little Cabbage Patch. Move this stuff out of the way. We're going to go up the stairs. 1 step, 2 step. Knock on the door. And we can pretend we're building. Maybe using this little bolt thing. Got a pair of pliers. Pick stuff up with. There we go. Set that there. I can pretend I'm tightening. And I can saw. Okay, so another thing that you can do with these, which is very helpful for children, especially young kids, is you can say, okay, where are all the red blocks? Can you put all the red blocks in a stack? Well, this block has to go. It's white. If it will pull off, it might not. Oh no! That's a red and white block. But here we have red blocks. So except for the red and white block, that's all the red ones in a stack. Oh, I missed a set. There, that's all the red ones. Now let's count all the yellow blocks. Let's find all the yellow blocks, and we want to count all the yellow blocks. Sometimes they don't want to cooperate. Maybe these ones are attached for a reason. There is one yellow block here, but it's attached to a blue block, just like this red and white block. So I'm going to pull all the yellow blocks, move my stair blocks. Okay. We have one yellow block, two yellow blocks, three yellow blocks, four yellow blocks, five yellow blocks, six yellow blocks, seven yellow blocks, eight yellow blocks, and this one makes 9. So we have 9 yellow blocks in our pack. Wonder how many white blocks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow blocks, and this one makes 6. That's quite a few blocks. You can also count these. See, some of these have 2, 1, 2. Some of them have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of them, that one's a 4, 1, 2. Let's see if I can find one that has 6. I don't think any of them have 5. See, this one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is an 8 block. I thought it was a 6 block. It's always good to count things. And this one just has 1. That's pretty neat. And then we're back to 4s and 2s. So this is our Bob the Builder Storytime Kit that you can pick up at the Swift Current Branch Library. You can take it home and have some fun with these adorable Cabbage Patch construction workers. And you can read the book inside or listen to it on CD. It's a very good STEM building activity to do with children 5 and under. Story kits are meant to be used as a family activity with each member of the family participating. They are great STEM and literacy building tools.